How to fix the disk write protected error, or when the drive is write protected while copying files to a USB flash drive or a memory card. You may see a message saying that the disk is write protected or disk write protected. So today we're going to explain 4 very effective methods to solve this problem completely and permanently. And also, these are 4 of the best methods you can find on the internet to fix this issue. Of course, before this, we already explained how to fix a USB flash drive that won't accept formatting, or a flash drive that won't open at all using simple steps and without any programs. And we saw how the flash drive was in this condition, not accepting format and not opening at all. And by the end of the video, it became like this. The flash drive started working and it accepted formatting again. Of course, I'll leave the link to that video in the description and also in the eye icon that will appear on the side of the video. Before we start the practical explanation, I hope you support us by clicking like on the video. And if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe and enable notifications on all so you receive all tutorials and videos as soon as they're uploaded. Method 1, and this is a very effective method to solve this problem. All you need to do is open command prompt CMD. Open the start menu, search for CMD, then open it as Run as Administrator by right-clicking and choosing Run as Administrator. It will open like this, then type this command, Diskpart, and press Enter. After that, type this command, list disk. This command shows all the drives connected to your computer. Okay? You'll see disk 0, disk 1, disk 2, and so on. All you need to do here is identify the flash drive that has the problem by checking its size. Meaning, you look at the storage size and know which disk number it is. If you feel confused, you can unplug all USB drives from the computer and leave only the flash drive that has the issue. After you determine the disk number, type this command, select disk, disk number. For example, I'll type select disk 1. Of course, the number depends on your device. Then press enter. After that, type this command, attributes disk clear read only, and of course, I'll leave this command in the description. Then press enter. You'll see a message saying, disk attributes cleared successfully. This means the write protection has been removed from the flash drive. After that, try copying any files to the flash drive. For example, we'll copy this file and paste it onto the flash drive. And you'll notice that the copy process works normally without any issues. Method 2, and this is also a very effective method to fix this problem. Open the Run window by pressing Windows plus R. Okay, then type regedit and press enter. The Registry editor window will open. Go to this path, HKEY_local_machine, then select System, then Current Control Set, then Control. From here, look for a folder named Storage Device Policies. This one right here. Very important note, on some versions of Windows, you may not find this folder, and that's completely normal. In that case, you can skip this method and move on to the next one. If you find the folder, click on it, then double-click Write Protect, set the value to 0, then click OK. After that, try copying files to and from the flash drive, and you should find that the problem is solved, God willing. Method 3, and this is a simple but very important method, it's scanning the flash drive for viruses. Because virus accumulation on a flash drive can cause this issue, making the drive write protected. All you need to do is run a scan on the flash drive using any antivirus program installed on your computer. If you don't have one, you can do an online scan using any website, like this one for example. And if you're using Avast, you can right-click on the flash drive and choose Scan. This step is simple but very important because viruses can cause many problems, like files not opening or write protection. So it's always better to scan the flash drive using any antivirus program. Method 4, and this is the strongest method and the final solution. If the first three methods didn't work for you, then this method will definitely fix it. All you need to do is download this file, and of course I'll leave a direct download link in the description. After downloading, extract the file the usual way, right-click and choose Extract here. A folder will appear like this. Open it, then double-click on this file. Click Yes, then OK. After that, try copying any files to and from the flash drive, and you'll see that the flash drive works perfectly without any problems. And with that, we've explained 4 very effective methods to fix the disk write protected problem, or when the drive is write protected. I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked it, don't forget to hit like,